this unit, we'll be looking at how to talk about what was happening over a period of time, using the imperfect tense, forms of roedd yn Gymraeg. In the school setting, you'll be discussing imperfect past tense activities when you talk about what was happening or what used to happen with the children. Starting with forms of roedd, roughly translated as was, were, or used to be. We'll add the verb isio at the end of the patterns you have looked at in the tables in the previous section of the unit. Remember that isio means to want. So, to ask a child what they wanted, you'd say, Be oeddet ti isio? Meaning, what did you want? You try it. Be oeddet ti isio? In North Wales, you will hear isio in spoken Welsh. And you're likely to hear the full formal form of eisiau. Both are fine to use in spoken Welsh. To answer by saying, I wanted something, say, Roeddwn i isio, followed by an item. Here are some examples. Roeddwn i isio banana. I wanted a banana. Roeddwn i isio afal. I wanted an apple. Roeddwn i isio oren. I wanted an orange. Da iawn chi. Now we'll try a question with fo, him, in it. Be oedd o isio? You try it. Be oedd o isio? Here are some examples of how to answer what he wanted. Roedd o isio sydd oren. He wanted orange juice. Roedd o isio dŵr. He wanted water. Roedd o isio diod. He wanted a drink. Now we'll try a question with he, her in it. Be oedd hi isio? You try it. Be oedd hi isio? Here are some examples of how to answer what she wanted. Roedd hi isio afal. She wanted an apple. Roedd hi isio llefrith. She wanted milk. Roedd hi isio mefus. She wanted strawberries. You will look at other persons in this section. Ni, us, chi, plural, you, and nhw, them. But this video will help you form the patterns by using be in the question and isio as you ask and answer the question. Pob hwyl i chi.